Guys, my name is Brendan, and today I want to show you easy tricking kicks. Access to a gym, the best course of action is to scale down your tricks and train your basics. Now is the time to really hone your fundamentals so that way you can progress more easily when you go to the harder trick. Number one is the front kick, and this kick has 5 important body positions. The first is your fighter's stance, how you start the trick. Second, you bring up your knee in a chamber, pointing it towards your target. Third, you extend to strike your target, and then fourth, you return back to that chamber position. And then the fifth and final step is just return back where you started to end in that fighter's stance. The front kick might seem like a really easy trick, but if you want a good extension and a snap with every single kick, you need to master the front kick. Our second kick is the crescent kick. Instead of chambering and extending your leg, for this one, you keep it straight almost the entire time, and you draw a crescent shape, sweeping across your target. You can go outside to inside, or inside to outside. But either way, you're drawing that crescent shape while kicking past your target. Kick number 3 is the side kick. When it comes to tricking, not all kicks are created equal. And the side kick is an easy trick to do bad, but a hard trick to do well. That said, the technique is really similar to a front kick, but we're gonna pivot our hips. We start in our fighter's stance. Next, we chamber up our leg, pointing our knee at our target. But then we're going to pivot our hips, turn our body to the side, and face the bottom of our foot towards our target. From there, you extend and then rechamber to strike your target, and then you return to your original fighter's stance. That's the technique for the side kick, but like I said, it's easy to do bad, but it's hard to do a nice, crisp, solid side kick. Kick number 4 is the roundhouse kick. When it comes to tricking kicks, each one combines elements of the ones that came before it. When it comes to the roundhouse kick, we're gonna combine elements of the front kick and the side kick. You start in your fighting stance. Next, you chamber up your knee, but then you perform your pivot. When we did our pivot for the side kick, we faced the bottom of our foot to point towards our target. For this pivot, we're gonna keep our knee facing the target just like the front kick. From there, we're going to extend and then rechamber to return back to our original fighting stance. Back! And that is the roundhouse kick. You just do the same chamber elements of the front kick, but you include the pivot from the side kick. Kick number 5 is the hook kick. To do a hook kick, you essentially play a round kick in reverse. Getting into that fighter's stance, turning your body the opposite way, chambering your leg, extending past your target, and then hooking to kick across it. And then you chamber up, pivot, and return to your original fighter's stance. If you think about a hook kick as a round kick in reverse, it's far less intimidating and easier to learn.